प्रोजेक्टाचो विशय म्हणून खूब गाजता कुडतोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन मदें तुमचेरूय कोण थोडे आरेप करूंक लागले. सो वॉट इज युअर से ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज यू हॅव ऑलवेज सेड कुडतोरी इज एन एग्रीकल्चरल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी.
I have said agricultural constituency, not because I am saying it. It is a fact.
यू ऑलवेज ट्राय टू प्रोटेक्ट.
आम्ही क्षेत्र इथे आम्ही अजून देखील सांभाळताय आमच्या. आता पंचायतीत खुंयचे पंचायतीत हांव पर्सनली इंटरफेर जायना. राय पंचायतीचे ते एक ग्रुप जे एलिगेशन करता की हांव पंचायत इंटरफेर करता. दुसरी ग्रुप म्हणटा हांव पंचायत इंटरफेर जायना. राशोल पंचायत आहा, कामुर्ली पंचायत आहा. सरपंच म्हाका कितें बरें आहाय तें तुमी जाण जावाय. तेंगे कोणागे कंप्लेन ना. कुडतोरी पंचायतीत पासून केन्ना इंटरफेर जायना. हांवें एक प्लॅन पास कर कितें कर केन्ना सांगना. ताका लागून फाल्यां हांव पंचायताक गेलो. हांव सांगलो जाल्यार ही पंचायत जर तर हांवें सांगलो जाल्यार ताका पास करूं जाल्यार हांव पंचायत वचपाक म्हाका तोंड नाशिल्लें. I can hide, I can, fool the people, but I can't fool my conscience. I don't fool the people. 99% आमगेले 99.5% आमगेले एक हें दवरया कितें एक चुकोन कोणाकू कोणी हांव कितें दिसता हांव उडयत म्हणटा. 99.9% हांव केन्ना हांव जर म्हागे फॉल्ट जाल्यार हांव मागीर फॉल्ट मागीर दिसता. काल हांव पंचायताक गेलो सांगपाक बाबा कितें कोत्ता हें. आय डोंट नो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग देर. सो आय टोल्ड देम नेक्स्ट टायम टेक प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर एंड डू इट. आय वेंट टू द पंचायत एंड आय टोल्ड देम कितें सांगलें फॉलो प्रोसिजर एंड रिवोक द लायसन्स. Say that there are difficulties, say that people have objections, put some reasons, but make a systematic and approach. आज हांव एक रोडा लावूंक गेलो. आज रोडा लावूंक गेलो. एक इशू आ रोड. I had a meeting with the high level meeting with the collectors. Go to see secretary is not there. So on all fronts, I try to do whatever on myself as a duty as an MLA. My work, what is to be done in the interest of public. Beyond politics, मुगे शेतान देखून बियॉन्ड पॉलिटिक्स म्हणून शेतान मुगेले ऑपोजिशन देखून मुगे मिशीन वताय. हांव केन्ना ना म्हणना. म्हाका वोट मारना ते मनीस मुगे मिशीन वताय. हांव केन्ना म्हणा तूं मुगे वोट मारला तूं हें केलां. प्रिवियसली सदां जातालें तूं मुगेलो हो तुगेलो तो तेगे सपोर्टर आसा. हांवें केन्ना म्हणा आसली कर. सो मच सो दॅट माय ओन सपोर्टर्स टेल मी अरे ते तुजे 15 तूं तेंक दिता आमी कित्याक सपोर्ट करपाचें म्हाका सपोर्ट बट आसली आमच्या वयर कोण आहा. So in that project, if people have objections, I will go to the panchayat, revoke the license. They should have. I have no issues. I'm very clear. My conscience is very clear. So what more you want to ask?
ఇప్పుడు या प्रोजेक्टाचें जेन्ना हें जालां पळय तेन्ना तुज्या नोदरेक वा पंचायतीन कितें हाडलेलें तुका कांयच कंप्लेन.
I went to the panchayat because I didn't know. If I knew, I would have not gone to the panchayat. Every plan that passes in the panchayat, it doesn't mean that they should tell me. Let us be fair and square. They should not tell me everything, and then they become rubber stamp. I don't want them to tell me everything. But at least when there is objection, they should come and inform me.
Why some of your own people म्हणजे तुमच्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीलो तुका पॉयंट आउट
हांव SIMLD कितें जालें रेजिनाल्ड आजचो शॉर्ट
इलेक्शन लागीं पावलां दिसता.
दिस इज नाव कमिंग आउट मारगांव. बट तांकां दिसती पडटा हांवच ते सकाळीं उठोन राती उठोन दनपार उठोन न्हिदता आसतना जेवता आसतना तांकां रेजिनाल्ड दिसती पडटा. तांकां लोकांक कितें बरें करपाक तें दिसती पडना. तांकां फकत रेजिनाल्ड आनी तें कितें उडोवपाक तें प्लॅनिंग. फायनली इट इज पॉलिटिक्स. आज येयलो हांव चोय हांवें मुगे हें घायलां मुगे एक हांवें ताका मुगे ग्रील दिलां एक टू अवॉयड प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड दीस वॉज डन बिफोर लास्ट टायम हिंगा कोवीड प्रेस केली तेणें मुजे उलयले ते दिल्ली काबार जाले ते पार्टीन तुज्या मनीस उलयले दिल्ली ते काबार. हांवें हें सांगलो तुका ते दिल्ली इलेक्शन जातली ते आसपा नाय म्हणून. आतां नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन जालें काय ना ते वयतले. पण कितें आहा work, let us do something for the people. That is our wish. I exactly don't know. They say that it is a project of shops, and the owner of this thing, I have heard that it is the project पडे घालतात त्या मनशान म्हाका अजून देखो मेळ्ळो ना टिल टुडे.
No, no.
अजून देखो मेळ्ळो ना.
Project घालता पळय तो.
अजून देखो मेळ्ळो. I don't even know who is the person.
So many trees have been cut and all. There was no idea that you had
Where?
over in that same project. They say that all are scattered there and all. तुका आयडिया काय नासली हेच पण.
See, आता सगळ्याक खूंय पड झाड कातता खूंय पड कितें कातता तें म्हाका unless brought to my notice I will not know unless it's on the road. This is something internal. It is not to my knowledge that it is cut by trees. But if whatever legal action is taken, it will be taken by the forest department. I have not told them not to take it. Not only there, anywhere else. Now if you go down, you just go down. Go down near that Ashwini estate and go up and see how much trees have been cut. Just go up and see. I brought it to the notice of the collector. In Panspat there is all hill cutting they are doing, and this I have written to the collector that hill cutting is going. Everywhere, even in leprosy hospital, government land hill cutting was going on. I wrote to the collector that it is going on. Any issue, I have been vocal and in my constituency, because I had told the people last time that I would always be vocal as far as my constituency is concerned. Other constituencies I would not interfere. Other issues I would not interfere. That's why I'm not issuing. I'm only taking up issues in my constituency. But on every issue, I have written to the collector to take action. I've got letters. I'm simply not talking by word of mouth. I've got letters to produce. They're all there on the form. Both in the form of letters and in the form of mails. To the chief minister, to the revenue minister, to the collector, to the police, everybody.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.